Maintaining your spice rack in a good condition is very important, as if you don't want to risk breaking your revolving spice rack and having to repair it, or even illness due to unclean containers in which bacteria can grow in. However, the latter is extremely rare, but it is important that you bear it in mind. This is because the enclosed and often dark and moist spaces which the spice jars create are perfect breeding grounds for bacteria to thrive in. However, this can be easily avoided by following a few simple steps. Now, these steps and processes shouldn't take very long for you to carry out, and the benefits you will gain from them will be very evident in your food. Maintaining the mechanism. Now, depending on your make of revolving spice rack, the mechanism may vary. However, twice yearly addition of a very small amount of some WD-40 spray to the rotating parts will help reduce wear on the joints and prolong the life of the rack, along with making spinning it even easier, as there will be less friction. Before you do this, I recommend you take out all of the spices and give the rack a good clean with a mildly damp cloth with some fairy liquid or equivalent mixed in. Cleaning the jars. This is a very important step in the maintenance process. The jars need to be kept dry and clean in order to make sure that the spices are kept in the optimal conditions. The best way to do this is to make sure that every 3 months or so you take out all of the spices and put them in bowls and give the jars a good clean. This will help to remove any buildup of dirt or dust inside them and give them a nice shine. Wash them as you would depending on the material, whether glass or plastic. Changing the spices. I recommend that you change the spices at least 2 times a year. If you haven't used them all, I would do it more often, but I'm not made of money. On top of making your kitchen spice rack cleaner and safer by removing any harmful bacteria, it also makes the food you are cooking taste better. There is nothing better than cooking with fresh spices with fresh ingredients. General tips. Here's a bonus for all you lovely people. Some general tips of daily use of the stainless spice rack to keep it clean. Never use your hands to pinch directly from the jars, as you will leave behind your greasy finger residue all over the spices. Use spoons. Make sure that you use separate spoons when taking out separate spices. You don't want them mixing. Nothing's worse than some parsley that tastes like cinnamon. Try to keep your spice rack out of direct sunlight, so try not to place it near a window, as the UV rays can damage certain plastic jars and recolor them. They can also damage the spices and will reduce their replacement timeline, meaning you will have to replace them all sooner.